1 o'clock, 2 o'clock maybe. It's 2 o'clock. And it is really windy. There's a storm coming. Not looking good. I don't think there's much I can do in this situation other than hold on tight. I'm gonna get some things organized here. Make sure that if I need to move around, I can. Hope for the best. So it's like, you know, it's moving northeast. So there's gonna be a long stretch of big, beautiful red. It's a little scary. I'm a little scared. I don't really know what the best options are, what to do in an electrical storm. Google has not really helped me too much. So, it's something I'm gonna have to talk to some people about if I survive. If I don't survive, good knowing everyone. Wow, something miraculous just happened. The storm is easing up. It's all of a sudden not as bad. I'm going to sleep. Fuck this. F this. I'm tired. I don't care what Mother Nature has to. What am I gonna do? Stay up here and wait for my death? I might as well be sleeping. Isn't that everyone's dream? To just die in their sleep. Here's me and my plant. One of my plants. Anyways, good evening, good night. Until tomorrow.